Okay, so in this video I'm just going to show you the setup I have before rust proofing the underbody of a vehicle. And what I've purchased is this pressure sprayer at Deals. It's a discount store in Ireland. I think the name of the company in the UK is Poundland. In the summertime they sell these for about £1 or about €1.50. Now what I did then is I went and purchased tubing from a local tubing hose specialist, and I put the sizes into the description below. And in order to get this over this, so basically this has been unscrewed from here, I get some boiling water, and basically I get some boiling water. Let me just focus in there. Boiling water, put the tip into the pot, boil the water, leave it there for literally a few seconds, take it out, put on some gloves because it is a bit hot, and then gently push the actual soft tubing over the cap. Now this might take a bit of time, but just simply do it a few occasions and maybe just twist it into place as well. And then put it under cold water, afterwards. And then in terms of the other section then, which is initially, this is the configuration, but I took this off, just pull it out. It might take a bit of prying to do. And then I just simply slotted it in to here. Now in terms of getting a maximum spray, you simply twist the nozzle accordingly to get the maximum spray, and simply fill the actual fill the bottle with the rust inhibitor. Now the one that I've used, I've tried a good few of them, and the one that I found to be excellent is Oatrol oil. And just put in a bit, simply spray in then, especially for the inside of the cavity of a vehicle. It is very good. I do this once a year, and it's been working excellent so far. Previously I used Waxol, wax-based, but I found that after 6 months of a winter season, moisture got underneath the actual wax coating over the chassis, and it began to rust from the inside. So this is more of a chemical-based varnish that doesn't have the same challenges. Thank you for watching.